10th. How are you? As we all know that we started a new chapter topic, that which is circulatory system. Okay, in this circulatory system we discussed that what is the circulation and why the body needs transportation. All right, and we also had discussed that what is the function of circulatory system and what is the function of blood. So we almost discussed so many things in this chapter. Today's video is for quick revision that what we studied till now. Okay, so let's start what comes under circulatory system. In circulatory system, the major role plays blood. Okay, in circulatory system, the thing which is plays major role, which is blood, because in our body all the activities happens in blood, like endocrine system could not able to do work without circulatory system, without blood. Okay, nervous system is also not able to, even in digestive system also not able to perform their work in the absence of blood. So it means blood plays major role in our body. Okay, and in your class 10th, the name of the chapter circulatory system given in the form of transportation in human. So transportation means taking things from one place to another and taking things from that place and remove outside. That is the main purpose of circulatory system. Okay, so in circulatory system there are a few parts which is responsible for performing these functions. Which are the parts is blood vessels and heart. Okay, see in this slide, in circulatory system what are the major parts? Blood vessels and heart. So blood means what? Blood consists two parts, plasma and formed elements. What is plasma? Plasma is the liquid like substance found inside the blood, but only RBC is not found in plasma, and rest all that things found in plasma. The constituent of plasma is water, salts, plasma protein. What is the meaning of plasma protein? Plasma protein means few proteins they perform immunity, they perform clotting factor, they perform osmotic balance. Okay, all these things performed by plasma protein. So what is plasma? Plasma is a part of blood which consists majorly 55% of blood. Okay, 55% of blood, and 45% of blood is formed elements. And now what comes under formed elements? Formed elements, in formed elements RBC, WBC and platelets comes. Okay, so I will discuss later what is the function of RBC, what is the function of WBC, and what is the function of platelets, and what are the exact amount that I mean what is the number that RBC in found, what is the number of RBC in blood. Okay, what is the number of WBC in blood, and what is the number of platelets in blood. Okay, so we'll discuss later, and in this video only a little introduction and transportation in animals and plants both occurs is given, and important circulatory system important parts is given. So revise all these topic very clear, so that you will understand coming topics. Okay, so goodbye, take care, have a nice day.